Hello, my name is Emad Vafukshvili and this is my CS50 final project. I built an inventory manager using Python. The program works as a CLI command line interface application. When I run it, I can choose options like add, remove, or list products. It has three main functions beside the main one: add product, to add a new product, remove product to delete a product, list products to show all products. The data is saved in a JSON file. This means even if I close the program and open it again, the inventory is still there. For example, if I add a product called Winstone Marble or something like that, quantity 20 and price 2.5, it is saved to the file and shown it the list. This was only a shortened demo. If I wanted to explain all data, it would take more than 3 minutes, but I focused on the main concept. Now I want to run my program. Before that, I want to show my code. It has three parts like product, inventory manager, and CLI. Except this, it has a test project. It tasted three function except main. And now we have to run it the project. Inventory manager. I can choose one of this option. Select an option like one. Product ID, I don't know, like 123. Project name like Winston and quantity like 20. Price means the cost is $50, and I can try it again and again and again until to select and 5. It means exit and finish the program. I can search it, I can show the list products, remove the product, and something like that. This is my finally project to show it. I thanks a lot from EDX, Harvard University, and Mr. Dr. David Jason J. Mullen. And thank you for all the course.